Hi students. So in this tutorial I will teach you about the pivot point. So how to moving the pivot point in different areas of an object. First of all, I am going to create in a front view one box. Okay. Now the pivot point, center of an object. Okay. So for that I need to move this pivot point to here. For that option, and here there is an option called hierarchy. If you click on effect pivot only, so you can move the pivot point into anywhere of the object, not an object, you can move it anywhere. Okay, so I am moving the pivot this side. Then if you finish the pivot point into any required place, then click off the effect pivot only. Click on F3, first P for perspective. Now you can possible to rotate like a door because we got the pivot point in this side. Okay, similar you can move it a pivot point anywhere. Just now move it the pivot point here. Okay, and again you need that pivot point exactly the center of an object. So for that, effect pivot only, then click on the center to object. Once you click on the center to object, then click on effect pivot only. So now the effect pivot point, now the pivot point is in a default position. I mean center of an object. So I will make one more this thing. I am going to create one sphere. Okay. So in the option hierarchy, I'll make the pivot point center of viewport. Okay, then I'm rotating. Okay, then I'm rotating. Sorry, shift and rotate. Copy, for example, I'll make it around 30. Shift and rotate. We'll make it around 40. So now you got the shape. So you got the this kind of shape in the help of moving a pivot point. So in the help of pivot point, you can make it mini object like this with this circle. Okay. So in the next tutorial, I will give you much more